This means war.
Right in front of me. Yo, they're coming up. You see them? Yeah. Yo, directly across the ridge. Hurry up, push up here. Push.
Left side.
Woo!
No, the sticks are right. Sticks are right.
You see him?
Behind the tree, left side. 3 o'clock. Move it.
Which way? Do you see them? Oh, hit. Good shot. Yo, try to keep him suppressed there. Give me call outs. I'm moving to the right with Justin. You heard? Yo, we out this way. You okay?
Yeah.
You ready? Sorry. Yeah, I took him out. Keep moving. Yo, keep pushing up. Yeah. Yo, watch the sniper. He's to the left somewhere. I lost eyes on him. Oh! Hit! Hit! Yo, they're in a very good spot. To the left. Under some boxes, or not boxes, some shits. To the left, to the left. You're lucky that branch is in the way! Yo, watch far left, he's running across the trees! Oh, hit! I know.
We're gonna do a big push.
Let's go right.
This way?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on. Yeah. We gotta move. Gun hit. Oh, got me. Yo, asshole, big push, and you back there. That's what I'm talking about. This nigga's a bitch. He goes, yo, big push, and he's back here. Yeah, nigga, I'm talking shit. Yo, me and him came up on some gangster shit. Where was you? In the back. Not good enough? Front, right in front of you, right? Move. Move up. Go. Find cover. Fuck, cover me. Gun hit. Oh, hit. Hit. I asked to get that happen to me.
Damn, he's fucking good, man.
The sniper?
No, it's the fucking.
Yo, good hiding spot, bro. Damn. Yo. Yeah, I know. I don't even know how the fuck I got him. Go inside the tape, follow it, and let me know. Oh, fuck. Gun hit. Oh, hit. Damn. Yeah, that shit happens. I don't even know how I got this one dude.
What?
I found this one dude hiding under a fucking, like a structure, and I don't even know how first I don't even know how he hit me. He didn't hit me. And then I don't even know how the fuck I hit him. Matt, how's it looking?
I think that was a different map.
Oh.
Around, it looked like a completely different map.
Huh. Now let's go. Yo, they're holed up. Oh, they're coming up right. Move, move, move.
They can't find themselves.
Spread out, spread out, spread out. He's to the left. I seen one to the left. Got one.
They're pushing back.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Where is he? Give me a call.
Can't see him. Oh, behind the berm. Is that a berm? Behind that that berm right ahead, right ahead. We were figuring it out at the end.